Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Transcraft 45 foot by 102. This unit is an aluminum combo with 5-inch aluminum joist underneath, folks. This is a nice heavy joist system underneath this unit. Folks, as you can see, the kingpin plate's in excellent condition, ready to come work for you. As we come down this universal mounting kit 45 foot aluminum combo, folks, this unit has a brand new buyer's toolbox. As we come down here, we're going to get down to 225 aluminum rims with an 85% tire. Folks, this unit is in phenomenal condition. The brake and drum system is at about 85% life left in it. Excellent brake condition on this unit. Folks, as we get to the back of this 2012 Transcraft, folks, we have a universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, many other brands will mount onto this system. Just let us know what kind of unit you have, or if you need a unit, take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can pick out a truck, a trailer, a Moffett, a Princeton, or any other forklift we might have available. As you can see, that tread condition all the way around this unit is in phenomenal condition. Our units come with all brand new straps, reconditioned ratchets. The unit has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As you can see, landing gear is an operational usage. It's in great shape, folks. This would make a great addition. This 45 foot by 102 aluminum combo with universal mounting kit would make a great addition to your fleet of trucks and trailers. Folks, give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.